Weld Systems. Solution partner for all your welding needs. Welding is a metal joining process technology. Critical equipment like boilers, reactors and industrial piping require quality weld. Prime selection of welding process. Right consumables. Selection of joints and parameters. The important one is welding procedure specification. Welding procedure specification is a quality assurance activity, as it provides essential parameters for quality weld. WPS, compilation of all information needed by a welder and is a few-page document. WPS is essential for all welding process. Companies perhaps are not aware that WPS is quality and they think finding a WPS expert is difficult. Companies should understand the importance of WPS from both quality and personal safety perspective and prepare WPS before all critical welding activities. Weld Systems can contribute to your welding needs by helping you choose right welding consumables, prepare WPS, PQR and WQT. Provide third-party inspection agency assistance, welding job works and weld failure analysis. Weld Systems ensure quality by selecting right weld design, consumables and technique, doing a complete WPS, ensuring zero defects. Weld Systems has got vast experience to provide solutions to all production weld failures. Deliverables: WPS, PQR and WQT, weld documents are certified by inspectors, test coop preparation and testing done at certified labs. Weld Systems offer welding consultancy services and has got hands-on experience and an expert team. Weld Systems. One-stop solution for all your welding needs. Email to Suresh@weldsystems.in for all your welding needs.